We have taken the expired one-day listing, and in the last 60 days, with only $300 in marketing, that has produced over 4 listings and over $40,000 in commission.
So I got my real estate license back in 2016, and I can tell you that in the past year that I have been working with Greg, getting ideas for marketing, learning how to find buyers and sellers, learning how to better serve my clients. This year, I'm on track to help more buyers and sellers complete their transaction than I have in the past 5 years combined as a part-time agent.
This is the best program by far I think I have found, and I'm very excited. Even more training here than 2 months in my own brokerage.
It would have taken me months to learn it on my own, and that's just in one day. I'm so excited and energized.
It's given me the confidence to do the things that I need to do to build my business and to be helpful to the people that I want to help.
I'm super excited to go full force.
Through the technology, through the innovation, through all the great ideas, staying ahead of the game.
In 2020, during the pandemic, I started to implement some of the programs that Greg Luther teaches. I managed to increase my income by 50% of what I made the previous year.
I started with this program 45 days, and he has increased my business by over 60%. I specialize in for sale by owners, and with his cash offer with a twist, it gets me inside the for sale by owners, and therefore I'm closing more deals.
I'm so grateful that I've come across the Greg Luther program. I now have processes and things that I can implement.
I just took a wild ride and ended up with 9 or 10 deals to the tune of just around $300,000 in commissions.
And it's because I'm getting used to now doing all the stuff that I've been learning. I'm already at what I did last year, and that means that from 2019 to 2020 my business grew by 67%. From 2020 to now.
And just because of the information that he provides, the new way to look at the business, the new way to find those clients and get that offer right.
I tell you, this is a game changer.
I can't even imagine doing real estate before without all of the amazing processes and systems that you have given us.
If you have not looked into Greg Luther, I say you do so now.
Not only do I find value in what he's teaching us, but all these folks here do too as well.
That's what good realtors do. They always want to improve their skills, so they come for new ideas and being on top of what's happening now.
Real estate has been a dream for me. A dream for me to get in and be a real estate agent. It's honestly felt unrealistic to me, and now I come for 2 days learning more information than I have in 4 months talking to these people, and he has made it a reality for me.
I can't wait to partner with him and to get a whole bunch of new real leads and quit paying Zillow for the leads.
I'm going to reinvest my money back in doing funnels and programming because I can see firsthand the value of just the little bit that I've used.
If you are a struggling agent, I highly encourage you to reach out to Greg Luther.
Join the retreat, show up to the retreat, and get it the face-on-face information and motivation, and really implement what he teaches, because I think by next year I do plan to be in that $1 Million Club. So
I appreciate Greg Luther and the things that he's showing me today and the last 2 days actually.
Thank you, Greg Luther Coaching. You have excelled my business in so many ways, and I look forward to an amazing future.
Greg, we cannot thank you enough. We look forward to success with you in the future.
Literally, I've just touched the surface of what you have to offer, and in all of the areas of coaching. So thank you so much.
Do what you want with this information, but I assure you, you want to act right now. No questions. Do it.
If you folks want to grow your business exponentially, please do yourself a favor. As Greg would tell you, go to getfastclosings.com.
So if you're watching this video, Greg already thinks you might be interested. I highly encourage you to check him out because he has made a radical change in my business, and I know that he can do the same for you.